Hi, this is Chris at the Wandering Bull. In front of me today is a bundle for April, and it's the number 4 bundle for the year, and it's going to consist of a wampum bracelet kit. Enough beads to make this bracelet with glass wampum beads, the glass crow beads, and the deerskin lace. So in front of me is all the components for that bundle. Will come with the Wandering Bull's Beadwork Design Book, as well as the Wampum Bracelet Kit instructions, and all of this product. So the kit is going to be $50 at wanderingbull.com. With the kit, you're going to receive this card, and it's going to be an invitation to the Circle at powwows.com. We're doing a live class on April 30th at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So when you get your bundle, if you want to go to the class, you want to scan the QR code, and that will bring you to the Circle, and they're going to send you information and a link for the live class. Space is limited on the Zoom class, so you want to, when you receive your bundle, click on the QR code, and that will reserve your spot on that live class. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, give us a call at 1-800-430-2855 or jump on the website wanderingbull.com. Thanks for watching and happy beading.